stemming from my last video I just uploaded. This is the second part of how to get the vocal of the song you want. So this is pretty much the acapella part. So you just turn on the bass, make that go to negative infinity, and just turn the vocals back to 0, and just keep the quality at better. Because I think best, if you put it at best, it's gonna overdo it, and it's gonna allow for a lot of CPU usage, and it might take forever to render. But choose which one you want to use. I just stop it better, and they're gonna render.
A few moments later.
And as you notice, the waveforms change from this area to this one. I don't know if you saw that, but and then we're gonna play, and you'll hear it.
I want a Ferrari, I'm feeling godly. Wonder how much that gon' cost me, they feeling saucy. Niggas know that I'm a problem, they'll never solve me. If you came and start some drama, then bring an army. I've been going fucking fast and they got me swerving. I know that I'm a child of God, but they want me cursing. I've been trapping out the Ozark, I'm already burdened. And I've been hard at working, ho, you just hardly working. If it wasn't for this rap shit, I'd be moving kilos.
That's pretty much the acapella that you get. It's not the cleanest, but if you want an acapella of any song, some songs are better than others. Let me say that. And this is not the end all be all vocal acapella cleaner. So I'm just giving you guys an idea of software that could possibly get you what you're looking for. So let that be a disclaimer, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And to export, you go to File and export it. You just want that selection, just export selection, and and make sure you go to Wave, make this 24-bit as I said before, and BWF, and uncheck that, and okay, and save it. And that's about it, people. Till next time, peace.